This is Phil from Rvinyl, and today I'm going to show you how to smoke your lights using an Rtint bubble-free wrap. Before you begin, make sure that your light has been properly cleaned. We recommend using Rapid Prep or any other suitable cleaning solution that you know isn't going to damage your light or the adhesive back tint. Align the film to one edge of your light and gently tack it into position. Apply the tint slowly and carefully. Avoid large sweeping motions that may wrinkle the film. If you do get a wrinkle, simply lift the film, apply a little heat, and the wrinkle should come out. The film can now be trimmed with a razor or craft knife. Carefully and slowly remove the trim film, apply the finishing touches, and get ready to ride. If you like what you just saw, give us a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great install and DIY videos.